Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your WordPress website or your WordPress template. Maybe you have installed a template and after a while you don't want to use the template again, you want to reset it and remove everything and start from fresh, installing another template, or you want to clear the website and start with something new and different. So in this video I'm going to show you how you are going to do it. So I'm viewing this site on my WordPress dashboard. This is a site we are going to reset it and leave it at the level that we can now install another template. So let's go to our WordPress dashboard. Then when you're already in the WordPress dashboard, you navigate to plugins. Then we click on add new plugin. Then you search for a plugin WP Reset. Alright, is the first plugin. We install it. Then we activate the plugin. Alright, now that I've activated the plugin, you scroll down, you see an option tools. You hover on tools and you're going to see WP Reset. We click on it. Then we'll scroll down. It's appearing that we will use the pro version. Since we don't want to use the pro version, we'll remove it. We'll scroll down, and at the end we are going to see this. So here we are going to type reset, and you click on reset and delete all custom files and data. Here we are going to lose everything. If it's your website that you want to reset it, a website that you've already built and you'll be using it and you want to reset it, it will be advisable that you back up the site and keep your data and your files saved. So anytime that you want to use it back, you can upload it. So if you don't want, but this is how you reset it. You click on reset. You click on you scroll down, and here this way we are going to reset our site. So we are going to type the word reset here. Then you can reset your site. So if it's your site that you have been using it and want to reset it and start something new and different, it will be advisable you take a backup of the site so that whenever you want to use the site again in the future, you will just upload it to your new domain name or the same domain name. So once you have typed reset here, you click on reset site. Then you click on reset WordPress. So our site is resetting. Everything is going to disappear. We have already reset our site successfully. So let's hover back and view our site. Okay, as you can see, this is the default theme that is always there. From here now, we have already removed the site that was there, so we can install another new template and start building it or customizing it. Thanks for watching guys. Likes and follow. Thank you.